Despite how it may appear, all tiredness is, in fact, created equal. Some moms are just better at faking it. Or should I say, concealing it. Hi, my name is Lindsay, a mom of 4 boys and writer at The Mother Chic. And no, I can't do it all. But my secret to pretending that I can is finding products that help me feel like the best version of myself. The BarePro Concealer stays on for 16 hours. Repeat, 16 hours. That means through all the phone calls, head-in-hand moments, and smooches for my little ones, this concealer stays put. My favorite thing about this makeup is that it's super easy to apply and it feels like you're wearing nothing at all. After hydrating my face with moisturizer, I just dot my under eye with a BarePro Concealer. Using either my ring finger or a sponge, I blend the product into my skin. I've been using bareMinerals for years because their products feel weightless and they have ingredients that are great for your skin. The BarePro Concealer contains smoothing ingredients to nourish and hydrate and has a satin matte finish. Before I walk out of the door, I apply my favorite performance wear liquid foundation and a little bronzer. If I feel like my dark circles are still showing through, I might add one more layer of concealer on top of my foundation. Yes, I am still tired. But nobody has to know that.